How to fix Instagram like problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram like problem on Android phone. It's easy. All you need to do first, just try to restart your phone. Click restart, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and then go to apps, and here you need to find here Instagram. And now just go to data usage and enable all of those here, and go to storage, clear cache, and then click force stop. And now just go try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.